Well, welcome back for another standard form question. You have to simplify and live in standard form. You go by it this way: 3.4 times 10 exponent 6. You divide by 2 times 10 exponent 3. You choose to change your decimal to whole number. By doing that, you are going to get 34 times 10. You go here once. In that direction, it's supposed to be power negative. So power negative 1 times 10 power 6. You divide by 2 times 10 power 3. Now, 2 will go into 34 how many times? That's 17 times. So 2 goes here 1, goes here 17. So we have 17 times 10 exponent negative 1 times 10 exponent 6. This is divided by 10 exponent 3. Now, sending 17 to standard form, we will have 1.7. It moves here once. So it is times 10 exponent 1. And 10 times 1.7 will give you 17. Now we have times 10 exponent negative 1 times 10 exponent 6. This will be minus because of the division of same base. So 6 minus 3 will be here. We have 1.7. This can cancel that. Then we are having times 10. 6 minus 3 is a 3. Hence, your answer. Thank you very much. Keep watching this channel. More videos will be flowing. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. Anytime I post new videos, you'll get them.